I think the question was, I would love to hear your feedback on this question. I am thinking about starting up a lead gen site, but e-commerce is taking over. A lot of the companies I am targeting are starting up their own e-commerce sites. I was thinking about using affiliate marketing links as well. So I've heard this in some industries. I guess there are e-com kind of sites that are popping up for local search queries. Guys, that's, you know, I would want to think that it's just temporary, that it's just a glitch because of some of the stupid algorithm updates that Google makes almost daily or weekly, at least it seems like. And my guess is it's just an unintended consequence of some helpful content update or one of the many, many updates that they constantly roll out that is causing e-commerce sites to perform good for local search queries. My guess is it won't last. It's just a temporary thing. I could be 100% wrong though. And so, I don't work in any industries where that would make sense to do so. So I don't have any experience with that. I also don't do e-commerce SEO. I just don't. I have no desire to either. So, what is my opinion on that? I don't have one, just because I've seen where it does occur for sure, but it's not any of the industries that I personally work in. So I don't really have an answer for that because I haven't thought it through, and nor am I going to sit down and think it through when it's not something that has been applicable to me at this point, if that's clear. I mean, look, if you think about this, guys, if you're in an industry that the business is in that industry, so if you're doing marketing and SEO services for an industry where the business could benefit from having an e-commerce store, then why not? Because you can help them generate more revenue anyway, right? Why not learn that part of the business and build e-commerce stores as part of your service offerings for that industry? It makes sense. If I was in an industry where that was, a possibility and there was potential for it, I would probably learn it, right? It's just like I said, in the tree service industry, nobody contracts a tree service contractor and then wants to buy a chainsaw. Like, that's just not the way it works. So there's no reason for them to have e-commerce stores where they're selling products, because they're selling a service. But if in the event that you are in an industry where it can be kind of both a hybrid, why not? Why not learn that? That's a whole other source of revenue for you and for your clients, right? You get paid to build it, manage it. They get paid from the sales made from it. So I think it's worth pursuing if you're in an industry or industries where that's relevant.